So if I let x be the first type of fertilizer and y be the second type of fertilizer, x plus y, the amount, has to equal to 800 kilograms. But we want the percentage of nitrogen as well. So the first one will be 0.4. So it's 40% nitrogen, so it's 0.4x. And then we see the second one is 20%, so 0.2y is going to be equal to 0.25. So it's 25% nitrogen at the very end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to isolate for x here. So x will be equal to y, or 800 minus y. Then I'm going to substitute, so it's equation 1, this is equation 2. I will sub 1 into 2. Substitute equation 1 into equation 2. So I will get 0.4 multiplied by 800 minus y plus 0.2y to be equal to 0.25. So then 0.4 multiplied by 800 is going to be equal to 200. So 0.4 multiplied by 800 is actually going to be equal to 320. Sorry, my bad. Minus 0.4y plus 0.2y will give us 0.25. Should be 0.25 multiplied, sorry, it should actually be 0.25 multiplied by 800 here, since it's 800. I forgot the quantity for this one. So 0.25, so it's 1/4 of 800, which is 200. So now if I collect like terms, I'm going to get negative 0.2y, and then I'm going to subtract 320 from both sides, which is equal to negative 120 now. So y will be equal to, so if I divide negative 120 divided by negative 0.2, I'm going to get y to be equal to 600. So y will be equal to 600 kg. And then if I sum it back into equation number 1, so we get x to be equal to 800 minus 600. So x will equal to 200 kilograms.